Steve again from EcoTech Windows and Doors. Today I wanted to show you our casement window. Our casement windows do have a lot of bells and whistles. When you're looking at a casement window, what you're looking for most times is you would like to have that nice, wide, open, clear piece of glass to view through, instead of having any frames on the different styles of windows. When it comes to our casement window, you'll find that our screen is very easy to use. It's one of the best features on the window that I like. In order to remove this screen, all you need to do is push down on the bottom and tip in the top. They're spring loaded and protected by your triple pane glass and your e-coating, so you can leave this in there for 5 years without touching it. It's always going to work effectively. Next thing I'd like to show you is our locking mechanism. Our locking mechanism, or lock handle, you'll only ever have one lock handle on your casement window. That lock handle is going to drive our multi-point locking system, which runs all the way up the side of our window and across the top with our corner drive. Okay, it brings the window in for a great seal. Our handle, unlike some of the other handles that you see on the market, has a special lock on it. Okay, what that does is it allows the handle to stay stable. It will not grind down the gears on the inside of the handle mechanism like other windows might. When you want to put that handle away, it's just a quick pull back on the lock and then you can fold it away. Okay, let me show you how my window opens. I'm going to go ahead and show you that there's a 3-point locking spot here. We are in that locked position currently. This is the seal, and then you have a click, which gives you that anti-pry. That means the anti-pry, once it is in that position, you cannot pry that window open. It's locked in that position. When we crank our window out, you'll notice that it goes out nice and smooth. Okay, our windows go out to a 90-degree angle, which will allow you to clean the exterior of your window from the inside of your house, saving you money on having people come in to do that for you. Quality and comfort you can trust and afford. You'll see the difference right away. Go to ecotechwindows.ca.